Long, long ago, in a village, there once lived a farmer. He was well off with enough money saved up due to many years of hard work. He had vast fields, but he was sad. His sons all day long slept and they slept, or did any work of their own. Or wasted their time with other good-for-nothing activities. One day, the farmer became very ill. His sons called the doctor.
I am afraid you are very ill. In fact, you may not live long. If there is anything you wish to do, you must do it now.
Now, even though they did not do any work, the lazy sons loved their father and started weeping after the doctor left.
Oh, father, what shall we do without you?
We won't be able to live. Who will look after us? The father was moved to see his sons so sad.
Don't worry, my children. I shall look after you from heaven. And to make sure that you never go hungry, I have buried a treasure in our field. When you find it, you must go to the market and sell it. It will be enough for the rest of your life.
Soon after, the farmer died. For some days, the sons were too sad to do anything, but realized that something had to be done for food.
We have to find father's treasure. The money in the safe won't last long.
You are right. We must. But they did not find anything. A friend of their father said,
Since you have tilled the farm Why not sow some seeds?
The boys agreed. They sowed seeds in their own farm and waited. It rained well that year. The sons woke up one day and saw the crops dancing in the wind. The eldest son said,
This is the treasure Father wanted us to find. If we work, we shall never be hungry.
The sons agreed and worked very hard from that day on. Moral: it never pays to be lazy.